Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So one of the coolest features Samsung had added in Galaxy Note 9 was the Bluetooth enabled S Pen. Now the same thing continues with Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Note 10, but they've added some more features. I mean, I would not call them gimmicky, but there are some small features which has been added, especially for the people who are in business and they're doing a lot of PowerPoint presentation or something. So let me show you in this video how we can do that. First of all, to enable your S Pen, you have to just go to the S Pen setting. You can go from the settings or you can just press and hold. It will take you to the S Pen menu. This is the one. So let's disconnect it. To connect your S Pen, just click over here. As you can see, it's showing is disconnected. To connect, you have to just press it inside the smartphone and it will connect. See, now within a minute it will be connected. So now it's available. It took a while, I don't know why, but now it's connected. You can remove it. So again, what we can do in Note 9 was like press and hold. It will take you to the camera settings. But on Note 10 Plus or Note 10, you can go a little bit further. So you can hold and swipe to the left to go to this next menu like this. Swipe to the left, swipe to the left, press and hold and swipe. You can scroll the menu, press and hold and swipe right. You can hold the menu right, press and hold. So you press and hold and swipe right, press and hold and swipe right. It will take you to the right side menu, press and hold and swipe left. And also you draw a circle, so it will give you the zoom functionality. So when you're in the video mode, you press and hold and draw a circle. It will take you to the zoom functionality. Swipe up to go to the rear camera, swipe down to go to the front camera. Draw a circle to zoom in and zoom out. One more feature Samsung has added is the AR doodles. Basically what it does, it's like if somebody is standing in front of you, you can take a small video and write. You can write live and it will stay on the person's, like somebody's birthday you are celebrating, so you can write happy birthday, date this with the person and take the video or picture. I mean, again, it's not something very gimmicky, but at the same time, like, it's a fun feature. So again, these are some of the, I will not say gimmicky features, but some of the few features added, and the rest remains the same. When you click over here, you have the note. Now in creating a note is same. So creating a note is same, but this time they have added a new feature. You can translate the note in the text. So you go to the Samsung Notes and you click on this text icon and you can just convert it. So you can see that even though my handwriting is not so good, but still is able to recognize it. So I think this is a good addition. Also, there's a collaboration with Microsoft for the Samsung Dex support. It's the same, you view all your notes. So the Smart Select feature is also same. You share it, or you can extract the text. You can write something. You have the screen write feature, live messages. So again, nothing new. It's all we have seen in the Galaxy Note 9 before. See, this is the live video. You can send or share it. Write something on the video itself. It's pretty cool. So this was the S Pen. When you buy the Aura Glow color, you get the blue S Pen. Also, I have made a playlist of video on Galaxy Note 10. Kindly click here to see that. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.